Introduction to APIs and Python.
The previous users are independent software and also application programming interfaces. Many popular apps have APIs you can connect to for data or features. Python makes API connections easy, letting you request, receive, and process information quickly. Whether you want data for a project or want to automate tasks, knowing how to connect with APIs is a valuable skill.
Gathering the essentials.
Before connecting to a third-party API, gather the necessary information. You'll typically need the API's endpoint URL, the required authentication method, and your access credentials, like an API key or token. Always read the API documentation carefully to understand the endpoints and any restrictions. Install the Python packages you'll need, such as requests, to make your code cleaner and safer.
Authenticating with the API.
Most APIs require authentication to protect their services. Authentication can involve passing an API key in your request header or parameters, or using more advanced OAuth tokens. Store your credentials securely and never share them publicly. In Python, you can include your API key in the header's dictionary when making requests to ensure only authorized users can access the service.
Making API requests in Python.
With your credentials ready, use the requests library to interact with the API. Import requests, set up your endpoint URL, and include headers with your authentication details. Use functions like requests.get or requests.post, depending on the API's requirements. Carefully review the returned response, which is often in JSON format, and use Python's built-in methods to read and process the data.
Error handling and best practices.
Always check for errors in API responses by examining status codes. Handle exceptions in Python using try-except blocks to prevent program crashes. Respect the API's rate limits and terms of use, and never expose your credentials in public code. By keeping your code organized and handling errors gracefully, you'll ensure reliable and professional connections to any third-party API.